About that black pepper?
No.
It got burned me though. What is it? Jesus Christ. I wanna. Janika.
Welcome YouTube, and we're back with another video. And today we'll be doing a challenge, right? We're gonna see who better can guess what's in their mouth practically.
Yeah, so the name of the challenge is what's in your mouth.
What the hell is in my mouth?
Yeah, so what's the objective of the challenge? Because I don't know what it is.
Okay, so each of us, let me get a little snapshot. Each of us has, we kind of cover it so we don't know what is in it. Each of us has a plate or a bag, whatever is underneath his own, of items. We were doing 5 items and then a bonus of 1. So in total 6 items. So I'm going to be the one going first because I know what I have for Orion, so it's best he goes last.
Trust me, she gonna lose bad. If she gets 3 of my items, she can't guess all of them.
You know, honestly, I don't think I made this hard. I just made it cruel. Yeah, I don't think I made your own hard. I wasn't even thinking about that objective.
Cruel? So, yeah, something's gonna taste bad under this.
You'll find out.
Okay. Alright, jumping right into it. So,
Round 1, fight.
Bring your face home.
So kerchief on top of kerchief.
Yes.
What could have caused this though, Jesus?
Kerchief on tobacco chill.
Alright man, I feel like the end games.
Don't you right?
Wait, where?
You're right.
The most of it in a commission now.
You're more good. Don't you right?
Why buy this?
That's idea, you're right.
Yeah, but why this?
That's good man, that's good.
Free for almost.
Why you not put on them out here?
What is again?
Come on. Alright, so guys.
Speak up.
Yeah, so guys, in this bag
I'm afraid.
there are 6 items and they will be listed here because obviously I can't say what is in the bag because I go here, but we're gonna see it for ourselves. So but still I'm gonna put them right here. So the first item, guys, you can see it. Yeah. So this doesn't see it.
Oh my god, already. Did he just spray?
No, he's not. He does no. Come, you ready?
Put my tongue first. Aye.
You can't touch it. Just open your mouth.
I'm afraid.
Move your hand,
No,
bro.
but come choke me.
No, just move your hand, bro. Move your hand. Move your hand to that to the less so safe. Alright.
So I look for tubes first. Me push me side again.
Me make it normal. Know yourself. You can't touch it. You can't touch it. I take it out.
No good.
Yeah, don't bite your bait.
I want this to work said. I'm from my room. From my room. What is it? You see like some sort of lollipop sticks in. Oh, this two Jesus.
You don't know? Stop. I call you true.
I don't know what is it.
Give me this man. Watch out, I bite it to backside.
A paper.
What kind of paper?
Is napkin.
No. Napkin tough, so which napkin I use?
Where you get a paper from the original?
You don't know?
A paper?
It's paper, but what kind of paper?
From book?
No.
Tiny paper?
But Jesus, tiny paper tough, so what you use? No, alright, so you lose that one.
No, make it say a
1 point
paper.
for me.
No,
No, you have to tell me exactly what.
I mean, somebody never played that game and I can't even go in, but don't know say me lose. But continue, come never play that game right. I didn't, but don't lose.
Alright. So the next item I have in my bag, and nothing edible in my bag.
Nothing, wicked. I did this.
This is supposed to be my bonus item. but I can't bother, so.
Could you put this item for the last thing now?
No, sir, this is going to your mouth right here, so. Come, come now, bro. Come now, you ready now, ready up.
What's this?
No, you can't touch it.
No, so something like cotton.
You can't touch the bridge now. What? No, sir, where are shopping?
Push it back.
You don't know, man.
Okay, can you wear?
You can't touch it. What is it? Take a while, guess you gave me 2 of them.
I gave you 2.
Yeah, you gave me 2. I told you, yeah, you gave me 2.
When? When?
You don't have to know when I gave me 2. You bought a pack. And I think at AliExpress you buy them pan.
Saying should be in my mouth?
Yes, it's clean, I wiped it. Corona and go catch a girl.
Why am I done today?
Well, so I told that my gun.
Never put a game on in a time ago. Or you come out good time, name everything. Or beer food, me take out.
Now you got to go beer food.
I bought more and bought every day.
You never said I could take out food alone.
I don't, I should have you know. Anyways, I'm back home. I don't lose. I admit it. Yeah.
Me I go give you that. No, me not give none your box cover. Ready up. Put 2 points that for me. Well. Come. Me know you will touch it.
You close finger. That's close finger.
Yes. No man, I'm afraid of doing that.
Why you put them on first?
It'll be second. Alright, so that's 2 for me, 1 for you.
Look at me a box.
Boy, you have a goodie bag for you now. And what is? Alright. You must know what is. People, if you don't know what is, God help her.
Many of them help me know, yes?
Come give me a hand then. Come in over. Bring it over here.
No then. I'm not a friend, I'm a shoulder.
Come.
Crocodile clip.
Jeez! So how much did I guess? 2?
Yeah.
So you missed 2. And you guess 2.
Look at that, my arm. Pen. A pen.
A part of the pen.
The cap.
Okay.
Me know.
So you guess 3. I want to lift in my bag now.
Bitch. Bitch.
Alright, so my bonus item now, so you swing through the bag fast though.
Hey, don't do
Alright,
it.
so
I'm gonna caught myself
we can't push
defeated.
the whole of this in your mouth.
Jesus
So.
Christ. Oriana. This is my mouth small. What the hell? Yeah, I'm putting in my mouth now. I'm afraid. I found the remote.
No, what happened to the remote in my mouth? I said, I can't put it in my mouth, so I'm going to put some.
One shot?
What if I put your clothes for if don't eat it. You might need something. Because I can't use that shirt here 50 out in that. Ready?
Jesus,
no, Vicky, you love it. You love it. You told me I have to put it on.
Wait. Is lotion or something like that?
No, Shadi,
wait, what? I'm gonna spit it out. What is it? Is it like a wipes?
No.
Wait, what is it?
Why would I tell you what it is?
No, I mean, as in, is it something liquid?
No.
Is it like a paper thingy?
No.
So I'm gonna spit it out.
Just trust me, I need it. Down.
Oh, this pepper?
What kind of pepper?
Black pepper?
Yeah. We don't need that then.
Yeah. So I guess what? 4 out of 5?
Yeah, you guess. So she gets 4 out of the 6 items.
Round 2. Fight.
I'm ready.
Maggie, my easy one first. Ready, people?
Show them when they played. Remember,
Alright.
show the people when they played.
Alright, people.
Okay, I'll give me a chance.
People have something to. Alright, so these are the items I have for him.
We just have to use the Splash Bunny on that play there.
I'm gonna give him an easy one first. Give him the easy one first. Okay. Ready? No, you're not smelling it. Open your mouth. Yeah.
I want your vitamin gummy tomorrow.
Which one?
Because I always want to say vitamin gummy.
But you have to tell me because if I tell you a paper, you never give it to me. So you have to tell me the exact gummy.
I have to tell you the vitamin.
You have to tell me the exact. If you give me the paper, then I'll give you this.
No, I'm sure this is vitamin gummy.
No, give me the exact vitamin. Is that wrong? What kind of vitamin?
Vitamin B.
B what?
Mighty God. The whole B vitamin complex.
I'm gonna stay a wicked and bad like you.
Sure.
Ready for your next one?
In some water and wash it out. Wash it down.
No, if you never get no water in between my turn.
I sneeze, mega sneeze, that's like
Enough. Really great.
Just jam it down my mouth, with my like me a baby.
Ready?
Come again.
Ready? Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
That's something for me to taste.
Open your mouth. In the kitchen we did it. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
How about this?
Open your mouth.
How about this, white?
Open your mouth.
Jesus Christ, you're fine me. For our white.
Alright, ready now? So, the next item, people.
Me guess two already.
You can guess this. Open your mind. Try to smell it. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open the mouth. Open it. Oh.
Alright.
Open your mouth.
Jesus Christ!
Alright.
Alright. You couldn't look around, please. I wanna. Jesus Christ, I wanna.
You can't guess.
I wanna.
Alright, you missed
Wait,
one.
no, wait. Let me taste it again. Let me taste it again. Butter.
No.
Awa.
You don't get it.
Awa.
You don't get it. I'm sure it's not butter.
As something edible?
I mean, obviously.
Let me taste it again.
No.
One more chance, please. Let me taste it again.
No, you're so
Please,
unfair.
there's one.
If I get it right, but still not here.
Then what may I taste it for? Good shot.
What do you think it is?
You never in the fridge. Cause it not full. I don't know what it is.
I don't know.
I don't know what is that.
That's one down for me. You ready now?
Yeah man, come again.
Next item.
Something liquidy?
No. Dry. Ready?
Jesus Christ. What is
Right, there's something that mix with this.
Oh wait there.
We know there's something other one.
Wait there.
Ready?
I know, let's go this. No, pa.
You give up?
No. Baking soda, I want a nice little taste. It's one nice little bitter. But, baking powder. Or baking powder. You can't fool me.
Baking powder.
Awa.
You're not getting it.
I mean, it's powder.
You're not getting it.
Weird.
You're not getting it.
Okay, Alaska. Alaska?
No, you said Alaska, so you're right.
I can't Alaska. I can't baking soda, because baking soda put the amount so it's bitter. And you say I know baking powder. Is it baking powder? You're not lying to me, Shelly.
I'm not lying to you.
So I know baking powder, baby?
No.
Are you sure of that?
Yeah, lose. You ready for the next one?
Yeah, give me the next one. Ready?
I think I need to go for the bonus. I guess I'll just pick up something from in here.
Yeah, just grab some.
I have a next item as well, but I think you're gonna guess it, so I'm gonna do that one for fun. But I gave you this item. Ready? So this is the added item.
Liquid.
No, it's dry. Ready?
Mm-hmm. I thought this not edible. Oh, what? A paper clip?
No.
I forget what them call them. Shit. You take them, put them in your ear. What them name again? People take them bus. They go wax and throw a blackhead out of them ears. Sometime. What them name? I don't know what them name, Shadika. I know, but I don't know what name. Jesus Christ. I don't know the correct name. I know say it for wear in your ear. If you go in your ear, but we don't know.
What for game people? I don't know.
We don't know why, but we
Should
know.
I give him? Are you ready for the next one? This was the actual item, but because I thought you'd guess it, I said let me try something else. Ready?
By the time I don't need my poison.
Open my mouth.
What you are calling? I wonder what is this? Let me taste it again. What you saying?
No.
Let me taste it again. I bite it. I put your finger in my mouth. Yep, that's all you got for me.
And here's the honest last one. Ready?
Alright. Oh, I something dry?
Yeah. Ready?
Is it bread?
No.
Alright.
Ready?
Is it powder?
Yeah. Just like I put tongue deep.
I smell it. I taste it.
You don't smell it. Yeah, taste it same way.
I don't know what kind of season.
Exactly. Come taste it. I see it for
It smell like turmeric. A turmeric?
No.
I go. How about that black pepper?
No.
Is that burn me though? What is it? Jesus Christ. I wanna. Shanika. Shanika. It's how we get good. What? Shanika. Shanika, what? You sure? I know black pepper that.
It's not black pepper.
We cook it today.
No.
This too. No sauce on me, no. Shanika. No sauce.
Finish in your mouth.
Mega. I want to be wise.
No.
Mega sold right out.
Alright, so for your own guess, you guess the. I mean, get the hairpin, bobby pin. You guess the. What's one you get? You guess the B vitamin, you guess the baby wipes, you get 3.
You know no more B vitamin.
No, so me win. And we get 4 to 6.
Almost make it out, I think. 3?
Yeah, you get 3.
3 out of 6 or 4 out of 6.
Me win.
You man get me defeat you shake me up with the pepper. You take me up. What kind of pepper that do?
A cayenne pepper.
See what I will keep me this do, Father God. No sir, Shanika put curry pepper.
Oh my god. My poor baby. So you get for one put nothing but fake things in my mouth. That's what you get. That's what you get.
No sir. Let me take out the blindfold here. Whoa, so out here this bright. Out here bright, pardon. Shanika.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So Aki it smell like butter?
I know, Aki.
I want.
A margarine.
So no butter.
It's not butter, they're different. People always think it's the same thing. Butter and margarine is different. You cannot leave butter on the counter and expect to come back and see it's salad. Margarine is different.
No, comment down below is margarine and butter.
It's different. They are different.
And Shadi cannot just rob me of me winning.
Hey, I'm calling the judge, you know.
Alright, so what is this? Flour.
Yes. It's flour.
It's a pity me that you eat raw flour me the woman. I put wipes in my mouth. I am pepper. What the sauce?
I find people who want to go for, but me say probably guessing. I'm like, let me look at the bottle.
I'm blind for myself again. We can put nothing in the Bible. You now put nothing in the Bible again, Shanika. And to think, me need to put this in Shanika also.
Shit.
The fake emoji.
Do. You want to put them on my mouth.
Where people mistake for chocolate ice cream. You don't know who can mistake this chocolate ice cream. But yeah. Do. That's not bad to bad, Shanika.
You want some more?
Move your box. No, talk to you.
That's what I said, let's go last. Because me know what me up for you.
No, sir, make a wrap up that video here. Jesus. Margarine. Butter is butter. Margarine.
It is different. It's gonna be a little long video for you guys.
You know what? It's a fun video. Yeah. I know that you guys have enjoyed this video, and we thank you for watching. You know, yeah, we wouldn't be motivated to constantly be uploading videos if it wasn't for you guys continuously watching and supporting us for the almost 3, you know.
We've been consistently.
Yes, we have been consistent.
It's about almost going to be about a month by the time I post this video.
By the time I post it will be almost a month?
No, probably.
Wow. So guys, give thanks. By the time they were done, you know, we blow up on YouTube and famous.
I know, right?
Yeah, we are ambitious. I want to.
Like, the hurricane who? You know? Who?
Yeah, them are going to say.
Who?
Orin and Shadika. Yeah, them carry the swing in Jamaica right now. You don't know with Orin and Shadika? You're lame. You not watch Orin and Shadika? No. You go watch them.
This is so extra. So we posted a video, I think it was the 2nd of May, and that video was when Orin was in my hair. And there was a bonus clip through the video, and we said whoever guessed what was broken and commented below would have gotten a shout out. And that person,
do you remember the person?
And that person was Akila Trees actually, and I know her personally though.
Yes, so Akila, big up yourself for watching the video in full. Yes. So it's a little thing where we put in there. Yeah,
we're gonna start doing have a little Easter eggs throughout the video. So watch the video in entire and comment below. And you obviously be get a chance for a shout out throughout our videos.
And also
we had 2.
Yes.
So somebody else?
So we have
another one?
Yeah, we have Winston Marshall. Big up yourself, Winston. You get the bonus. Your sister, I brought the broom. Yes.
So Akila Shields, Winston Marshall. Big up on yourself, Marshall.
Yeah, Marshall.
Big up on yourself as well. OG fans from even just being, I guess, I call it at the beginning of our journey. It's just begun, and we thank you guys for the support. And just remember, watch the vids in entire and comments on the question that we asked below. We're gonna be doing this for some times, and we'll shout it out in the next video.
Right, and we have 2 more persons to give a little shout out to.
And this was separate from the
kind of little Easter egg hunt in the videos. These 2 persons are actually 2 young ladies. They reached out to us. They loved our video. Was it the one that I was
continue here and before that as well?
Yeah. So they love the video where Shalik was cutting my hair, and I told them that I would give them a shout out. And their names are Taleja and
people them name, you know?
Ariana. So Taleja and Ariana, thank you so much for your support. We love you guys and continue to give us your support. Watch the videos in full. Enough love, respect. So yeah, guys.
So always remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. It means so much when you guys actually leave a comment to let me know if you like the content that we're putting out, when you actually like the video, when you actually subscribe.
You can give us suggestions and videos that you personally would like to see us do. So you can do that in the comment section. You like the video, you know, with a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. We can't stress this enough. Subscribe. We are on the YouTube journey. We're trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So if you have a family member, you can suggest us to. If you have just the people in your household, you know, suggest them to us. So yeah, suggest them to our channel and they can come over watch it. If they watch it, they will subscribe. So yeah, guys, we hope you enjoyed this week's video. Take care of yourself, stay safe from corona. God bless. Bye. Bye, guys.